Another feature of having meetings is that with more people present, then there's possibility of people behaving as mediators or referees. For example, if two people are having a heated conversation, then they put all of their energy into arranging their words in a cunning way to vanquish their opponent. Yes, and the greater the importance of this conversation, the more likely that their perception of fairness and balance will go out the window. Meanwhile, the observer of this conversation will be in a much better place to ensure fairness. To use a football analogy, if two teams are just having a friendly kickabout in the park, then they do not need a referee. But imagine playing a World Cup game without a referee. Whoa, it would be mayhem. No fair! And could easily spiral out of control with probable explosions. Yes. Unlike in football, the referee must be respected. So here are 6 traditional playground tactics that often lead to full-scale war, and which can be avoided with referees present. Number 1. Talking with tones of exasperation, as if your suggestion is the only way to do things, or that following these suggestions ought to be the easiest thing in the world. 2. Talking with tones of superiority. 3. Pointing fingers of blame by giving 100% of the blame to another person without accepting even a fraction of the blame for yourself. 4. Telling me to do something that you cannot do. 5. Being overly defensive. 6. Projecting your problems onto others, or other such hypocrisy. The referee is able to highlight a transgression with kindness and suggest that we change the tune of the discussion or take a time out or something, to ensure there are not repeated transgressions or retaliation.